thing right here. Oh my god, I'm struggling to open it a little bit. Opens up like this. Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a haul, and I already posted it on my YouTube community tab that I'm gonna be doing 2 hauls this week. Yes guys, get ready. I have recently discovered so many amazing things on Amazon, and you guys as well love my Amazon haul videos. So anyway, today we have a lot of accessories. So it's going to be all about the fashion accessories, jewelry and all that. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys. And without any further ado, let's get started. So I put it all in one package. Obviously, I didn't get them all at the same time. They all came, at different times, but I actually got them very, very fast because I chose for the Prime delivery. I got everything in 1 week. So I'm going to get started with the first thing that you see on top. So this is the only accessory that I have. Everything else is just fashion jewelry. I've been seeing this exact pair of sunglasses on all the influencers on Instagram, and I just was like, where did you guys get it? Because it's just so cool, it just like looks really nice and chic. Obviously this is more like a fashion accessory. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Yeah, I think this is going to be amazing for pictures, and of course this was like super affordable. I will mention all the prices on the screen right here. So now we're just going to move on to the accessories, and I have a lot of accessories to show you guys. The first accessory that I have right here is this really pretty dainty butterfly necklace. This is something that I've been seeing a lot of people on Instagram wear, and it just looks really cool. It has that nice sort of early 2000s, like a Y2K vibe to it. It has these cute little butterflies on it. Honestly, they look pretty good quality. So the second piece of jewelry that I have is this necklace thing right here. Oh my god, I love this. So this was actually the first thing to come, and I remember I was actually going out that day and I really wanted to try it on. So yes, this is something that I've already worn. I am glad to report that the color on this one will not fade because I've already worn it, I think 2 times already, and the color looks just as fresh, because generally in these type of jewelry, if you just wear it once, like the color goes off if it's meant to go off. And I love the pendant detail. I was actually looking for something like this which would have like this coin type of pendant, and I finally found it. Okay, so the next thing that we have is a slightly longer piece. So before, all of these were shorter, but this one is longer. By the way, I don't know if you guys have guessed the theme, but yeah, I definitely do love my layered necklace pieces. You just want to wear something a little long and like make a statement but also be very subtle with it. I would say just go for this one. This cute little pendant in the bottom, which actually looks like the world map. Struggling to open it a little bit. Ooh, okay. So this one is actually a set of rings. So I love this. I mean, as you guys can see, I always wear these 2 rings, but in general I'm not really like a very ring person, so I wanted to change that, and I wanted to order myself some rings and just see how they look. I believe it also comes in like silver color, but I opted for gold because everything else was going to be gold, and I just love wearing gold color more. Okay, so I've worn them all. I've stacked 3 on my thumb right here. I've worn 2 as midi rings, so these are meant to like stand right here, and then the other rings. I think it looks really cool. The only problem I would say is that unfortunately it is a little big for me. That's the only problem. So I might have to give some of these rings to someone else who will fit the size. I have really thin fingers, and they didn't really have like a ring size selection, so that's the only little drawback I would say. But other than that, I think these rings are just so cool. Love these midi rings, so I'm definitely going to keep them, and also this big one right here. So after the rings, I'm going to show you guys these earrings I got. I believe there are 9 different pairs of earrings in this, and they are just so cute. And let me show you guys my favorite. My favorite definitely has to be this snake one right here. I'm going to show you guys the close-up, but look how pretty that looks. Oh my god, I love the snake one. It has all these like stones on it. Also, we have some fruit ones, which again reminds me of that early 2000s like Y2K style. Like you have this cute little strawberry. Look how cute. You also have a cute little watermelon earring. Oh my god. So yeah, These are just adorable. You also have like a little lock. They also had like another set with different designs, but I chose this one. Okay, so speaking of earrings, I have been looking for earrings that look like safety pins for the longest time, and I finally found them. Look at that. These are slightly bigger in size, which I think is really nice because I can use them as like statement earrings. Oh my god, I think that just looks really cool. Look at that. They just look like giant safety pins. It has this pearl on top. Again, this is from the brand called Tonic, but I got it from Amazon and they actually had a really nice discount on it as well. Okay, so the last and final piece of jewelry that I got for this haul is this one right here. I've been looking for like a pearl necklace for the longest time, because I just feel like they look really nice and chic. The reason why I wanted like a pearl necklace was, you know, just to give me that like beachy vibe. And honestly guys, I'm just ready for a beach holiday. I think once things get much better, of course, then the first thing I'm going to do is definitely take a beach holiday. So anyway, this comes with a clasp like this, so you just put it in like that and then it locks. It also has like a cute little pendant which looks like a vintage coin. So yeah, this is the last and final thing that I got. Okay, so we're not done yet. I almost forgot to show you guys one last piece of jewelry. I'm so glad I didn't actually forget it because this is so pretty. Look at that. This one actually has two thick gold chains, which I love. Also, this comes in two colors. It also comes in silver and gold. I feel like I'm gonna go and order the silver one as well. Heart pendant actually opens up like this. So yeah, I think you can like gift it to your girlfriend or someone special like your friend or something like that, and maybe you can put like a little picture inside. This is the actual last thing that I got from Amazon. So guys, that brings me to the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. As usual, I'll link each and every product in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!